In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place a trade inside of Tickblaze. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Tickblaze like you usually would, and then from here you'll need to log into your either demo account or live forex trading account. From here it's something like this, and here you'll need to find the specific stock, ETF, future or forex that you want to trade. And as you can see here, I want to trade the euro/USD down here, and if I want to place a trade, place a bidding for it, I'll simply need to go up here to the end and right click on it. And then from here you can see I can buy the limit or I can buy the stop. If I click buy the limit, this place should be popping up where you can see you can buy 10,000 quantity, and you can click yes right here. Once you've done that, you'll see up here in the orders that you'll have set a limit trade up here, and you can see on the pending orders, filling orders and cancel orders over here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!